Welcome back to another episode of In the Build with the Fox. We're back at Haydens' house, and yes, we're sinking tins.
Always.
On this episode, we're going to look at installing the radiator and the cooler, getting the mounts done. So stick with us. Have a few if you're keen. So the aim, I've measured out how far the intercooler is going to be sitting from the top down to here, and I'm going to build a bracket, runs off the bottom here, up, across and down, and it's all going to be riv-serted in. She the flash one.
It's flash one, eh?
Hey.
It's shiny.
Hayden.
Yes.
Radiator.
Radiator.
Yes. You want to explain to the people what we're using?
We're using an S13 radiator, just with an SR20, just because the outlets are on the correct side for a JZ. And they're pretty small and fit in most cars, and they're cheap. So why wouldn't you use it?
So I've made up some brackets which are going to get rib-serted into the rad support, and I'm just going to throw them on the linisher now, give them a bit of a clean up, and then we can drill some holes ready for some bolts. Ah! Did you fart? No, that's by me. Righto, so bottom brackets are sorted. Top brackets we have just bent up, a bit of steel, bit of rubber grommet there, and we're putting some more riv-serts into the top rad support there, and that'll just hold it in line. Fresh. Solid. Is this the same thing as like when you tie stuff down in the back of the ute? You ain't going nowhere. As you can see, we're quite limited for room, but it fits.
It fits.
Thermos are going to have to go on the outside. No room against the motor. Look, it's not the best way to do it, but if it works, it works. Well, there we have it. Another day done. The radiator is mounted. Didn't actually get it on film, but managed to fix the center handbrake. Got the cable working, and yeah, so that's all sorted.
We have an engine too.
We have an engine.
It's in there. Mounted. We can keep it
Coolie boy.
It's got a little spinny boy on it. It's not bolted on though, right? But it's there.
Should be sweet.
Yeah, it should be right.
You're right.
That'll be fine.
You're fine.
It's also got to do
Nah. See you on the next episode.
Is it good? So we're good to film now.
We're good.
All right, good. All right.